So children, today we are going to revise chapter number 12, Heron's formula. So can you tell me what is the need of having Heron's formula? Why we are using Heron's formula?
To find the area of triangle.
To find the area when three sides are given.
Loud.
To find the area when three sides are given.
To find the area of triangle when three sides are given. Can you tell me why it is needed? Why this formula needed to us?
If we does not have the
Because
height
height
of
is
the
not given to
triangle.
apply with.
Okay. So chapter 12, revision of Heron's formula. In earlier classes, like in 7th, we have studied how to find out the area of triangle. है ना? Area of triangle, if I am given with a triangle ABC, okay, there is a perpendicular line D. So how to find out the area of triangle ABC? When you know
Base into height.
half into base into height. Half base is BC, height is AD. Okay. If my triangle is like this, PQR. Friends, what is the area of PQR triangle? The figure is right angle triangle. What is the area? Half into base into height, because height I know. Okay, tell me half. What is base here? QR. And what is height? PQ is height. Now understood? Whenever we know altitude, altitude means a perpendicular line. At that time I can use the formula half into base into height. If I don't know height. Okay, when I don't know height of the triangle, then this Heron's formula will help me to find out the area of triangle when I know three sides of the triangle. But the condition is what? If you don't know height, you should know three sides of the triangle. Okay. Let's see what is Heron's formula. So the formula is, first is semi-perimeter. What is this? Semi-perimeter. Perimeter means sum of all three sides of a triangle. Half. Semi-perimeter means half of the perimeter. So if I say there is a triangle with sides A, B, C. A, the length of all three sides is A, B, C respectively. Then semi-perimeter is A plus B plus C whole upon 2. Then area. Area, I can write in short form, area of triangle ABC is equals to
Under root S.
S
Bracket S minus A.
S minus A
S minus B.
S minus B
S minus C.
S minus C. Very good. Only this chapter consists of this formula. That's why you like this chapter. And everyone learned. S is the semi-perimeter. Here, the value of semi-perimeter we have to put. The formula to find out area of triangle. You forget to write left-hand side area of triangle. I have seen your papers. You just solve here. But what you are solving? What you are finding? You are finding area of triangle. So on left-hand side mention area of triangle ABC is under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Where A, B, C are the sides of the triangles. Clear? This formula is clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let us have an application of this formula. I'll give you one question. Question number 1. You solve, okay? Here is a triangle. This is equilateral triangle. Each side of this triangle is A units. Okay, A centimeter. Find out the area of this equilateral triangle using Heron's formula. Find out first. By Heron's formula, you have to find out the area of triangle. Equilateral triangle having sides A. Now we will form a formula to find the area of equilateral triangle, which can be directly used in 1 markers. Yes, Dishan? Root 3 by 4 a square. Correct answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Root 3 by 4 a square is the area of triangle. Let us see semi-perimeter first. So a plus a whole upon 2. Then 3a by 2. Okay. Now area of triangle equals to under root s. S is 3a by 2. S minus a. 3a by 2 minus a. Then again Ayushi, 3a by 2 minus a, because all three sides are of same measurements. 3a by 2 minus a. Now I have started to find out the area of equilateral triangle having sides a. After that I have found the semi-perimeter. A plus a, that is 3a upon 2. Area of triangle is under root s, that is 3a by 2. In bracket s minus a, s minus b, but b is a. S minus c, c is a. All three sides are of same measurement. Now let us see what we are getting. Here I am having fraction. Here it is whole number. In denominator what is there? Here 1. Take the LCM. 2. Take the LCM. Okay. So area equals to under root 3a by 2 as it is. Now solve this bracket. 3a by 2 minus, I want 2 in denominator, so I multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. So it will be 3a minus 2a whole upon 2, because I have to multiply with 2 to make, because LCM is what? 2. LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. Therefore I want here 2. To make it 2, I have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. Then it will be 2a. 2 into a is 2a. 3a minus 2a whole upon 2. Can I write like this? Okay. 3a minus 2a. What is that? 3a minus 2a. A by 2. Correct? 3a minus 2a is 1a whole upon 2. Now tell me about this. Ayushi, you tell me. 3a by 2 minus a by 1. Same. A by 2. Then the third one is same. A by 2. Afterwards, 3a by 2, 3a into a into a into a whole upon 2, 2, 2, 2. Now what I'll do? I'll make the pairs. Okay. So I can see here a is in pair. Here again a is in pair. Here 2 is in pair. Here in denominator 2 is in pair. So I'll take out all the paired number outside. So a will come out. One more pair is there. A will come out. 2 will come out. Here in denominator one more 2 will come out. What is left inside? Unpaired number. What is that? 3. Now you can see root 3 upon 4a square. So the area of equilateral triangle you got root 3 by 4 a square. Clear? By here. The question was to find out the area of equilateral triangle having perimeter 180 centimeter. So that example 1 is continuing. So if the perimeter of equilateral triangle is 180 centimeter. What is the formula to find out the perimeter of equilateral triangle? Sum of all sides. So each side is, I am taking each side of equilateral triangle is a centimeter. Okay. So equals to 180. Perimeter, under perimeter I have written sum of all three sides and each side is a. So 3a equals to 180. So A will be 180 by 3. 60 centimeter. It means the side of equilateral triangle is 60 centimeter. Now area of equilateral triangle. What is the formula? Now we will learn this formula. For 1 marker at least we can apply this formula directly because we have derived formula right now, है ना? Root 3 by 4 a square. So okay, it is root 3 upon 4. A we got 60 into 60. A square means a into a. So now solve it. 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 15 into 6. 90. And here 1 0. 900. And root 3 as it is. So it is 900 root 3 centimeter square. Please don't forget to write the unit. So in this way we can find out the area of equilateral triangle by using the formula. Root 3 by 4 side square. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Your next question, question number 2 is, ready?
Yes.
The sides of triangle, sides of triangle are in the ratio of 3, 5, 7 and perimeter of triangle is 300 meter. Find area of triangle. Area of triangle. Right. Now let us check your answer, children. So here sides are in the ratio of, whenever we are given the ratios of the sides, then I have to assume let the sides of triangle be 3x, 5x and 7x. Mohit, right? First assumption is right. So now after that I am given with the perimeter. Perimeter means sum of all three sides. 3x plus 5x plus 7x equals to 300. So 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 5, 15. X equals to 300. So x equals to 300 by 15, that is 20. Now I got x, the constant, the common multiple I can say. I got the value of x, so I can find out each side of the triangle. So one side is 3x. So 3 into 20, 60. Then 5x, 5 into 20, 100. 7x, 7 into 20, 140. So here I got all three sides of the triangle, that is 60, 100 and 140. So you have to find out the area of triangle by using that formula. First semi-perimeter. What is semi-perimeter?
Ma'am, perimeter A plus B plus C.
Who is there? Sagar. What is semi-perimeter? 150. That is 300 by 2, 150. Okay, Chetan. Area of triangle formula is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So put up, what is S? 150. S minus A, listen, 150 minus 60. 150 minus 60 is 90. 150 minus 100, 50. 150 minus 140, 10. Let us do one thing. 15 is 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. I'll take zeros at the end. 9 is 3 into 3 and 5 as it is. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. ठीक है? 4 zeros at the end. Okay. Now start doing pairs. Find out the pair number. 3, come out. 5, come out. 10, come out. 10 comes out. So what is left inside? 3. This 3 is unpaired. No partner is there for 3A. Alone it is left, so it will be as it is. 3. So now, what is this? 3 5 the 15, 1500 root 3 centimeter square. Meter square is the area. Area is 1500 root 3 meter square. So this is the application of Heron's formula. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.